What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play the Pull Off by Lil Peep. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes, so stick around to the end of the video where I'll explain how you can enter the giveaway, but for now let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, this song is in standard drop D tuning, which means your guitar is tuned to standard tuning and then you're dropping your low E down to a D note. Should be 1 octave lower than your D string. Now, this song is typical Lil Peep. They took a sample of another guitar part, pitched it down, slowed it down. It's actually pitched down too low to really be able to play it on the guitar, unless you were able to just tune your guitar down way lower than you should be able to tune your guitar. So I found out how to play the riff in just a standard tuning. So this will show you how to actually play the part. It's not going to be in the same key as the song, so if you try and play this with the song, like along with it, it's not going to sound right. But I did find out that just the chords that you can strum through to play to the actual song, and I'll show you guys all that as well. I will have the tab for this in the description below, so if you need that, jump in the description. It will be down there. You're starting out with your index finger barring your bottom 3 strings, D, A, D, on the 4th fret. Then you're going ring finger, 6th fret, D string, pinky finger, 7th fret, A string, and then you're alternating picking between those two and your 5th fret on your A string and your 4th fret on your A string. So it looks like this. You strum once, then you pick your 6th fret on your D string, 5th fret, 7th fret on your A string, then you alternate pick your E, which is still on the 4th fret, and then your A string, and then your D string, and then you're going 4, 5, 4 on your A string. So slowly it looks like, and that's just a hammer on and a pull off. So you just pick once, 4, hammer on 5 on your A string, pull off to 4 on your A string. And you're keeping those 3 strings barred with your index finger the entire time. So again, very slowly, it looks like this. Strum. And then you're going open strum, all 3 of your low strings, 1, 2, 3. Then you're going those same first 2 notes, 6th fret on the D string, 7th fret on the A string, and then you're alternating picking with your low E string again. You're just, you're not pressing down on it on the 4th string, but you're going 1, 2, 3, and then you're going 7D, 6D, 7A. So slowly it looks like, one more time. And that's another pull off. You can pick it or you can pull it off, but I use my ring finger, pull off to my index finger, and then middle finger on the 7th fret on the A string. So again, the tabs will be in the description. I'm going to play through the entire thing a few times very, very slowly so you can really see what it looks like and really get it down. Again, watch that as many times as you need to really get it down. The chords that you can play if you just want to strum along to the song are going to be, you're going to bar the first 3 note, the bottom 3 strings on your first fret of the first fret of the guitar. And then other than that, the only other chord you're playing is this chord here. It's 0, 2, 4, 4. And those two chords pretty much just alternate throughout the entire song. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with a free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.